Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Google Analytics 4 for shopping funnels step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in analytics.google.com and press enter. You will be directed to the Google Analytics homepage. If you are not already signed in, click the sign in button located in the top right corner. Select Google Analytics from the drop-down menu. Enter your Google account email address and click Next. Type in your password and click Next again. Once logged in, you will see the Google Analytics dashboard. In the bottom left corner, you will find the Property selector. Click on the drop-down menu labeled Select Property. Choose the Google Analytics 4 property associated with your shopping funnels. If you don't see your property, ensure you have the correct access permissions. Next, navigate to the left sidebar. Click on Reports to access detailed data. In the Reports section, look for the Engagement tab. Hover over Engagement and select Funnels from the options. Here, you will find various funnel reports related to your shopping activities. Explore each funnel report to analyze user behavior. Utilize filters to narrow down your data for more specific insights. Ensure you regularly check this section to monitor your shopping funnels effectively. To log out when you're finished, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Sign Out from the drop-down menu. This completes your login process and navigation for Google Analytics 4 shopping funnels. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.